pan of the beautiful campground. Neighbor sites. Packing up. Leaving Site 3 here at Spacious Skies at Sandy Run, Fayetteville, North Carolina. How you doing, Sunshine?
Doing good.
Do you want to say anything?
No, I'm just packing up. Playing with sewer lines.
How do you like Spacious Skies?
It's a nice park, quiet, pool, a lot of amenities, close to town.
Yeah.
Good park.
Very peaceful. You hear how quiet it is right
Yep.
now? This is it. This is it.
Fishing pond.
Fishing pond right across, straight ahead.
Yep.
Where you see the terrain go downhill. There's a pond. You can see it from Site 3 from the front of your RV. We're trying to get out of here. Checkout is at 11. Go ahead. So this is what the park looks like. Nice, shady. Sites are dirt and gravel, but we did not have any problem leveling. And there's probably some seasonal folks here, or people who work. You can hear the gem mining going on over there. We're right across from the bathhouse. So here is what I love about this park. You know how when you go to a private park and you maybe can't even put your awning out, or maybe you're sitting at your picnic table and you look down and there's your neighbor's sewer line? Not here. There's our living space right there. Fire pit, picnic table. But our neighbor's sewer line, I don't even know where it is. That's right there. You know, on their site. Thank you, Spacious Skies. That's amazing. What a concept. A space big enough for your dog pen, all your plants, sitting outside. I could even put my hammock up if I wanted to. Beautiful, beautiful, peaceful park with friendly folks. There's the check-in station, and there's the entrance. And over here, you can see the pond. And there's a nice half-mile nature trail around it, through the pines and along the water's edge. This is our second visit here, and we will be back. Very convenient to Interstate 95. Now, beside the pool that you saw and the gem mining, they have a huge dog park. They have a jump pillow and a playground. So for the full tour of this park, so you can check that out right up here. Last year, I think November we were here, it was so beautiful. The colors, the leaves were changing colors, so you can check that out. This was just a little overview, a little, hey, little 2 thumbs up for Spacious Skies. I do want to mention that Fayetteville has anything in the world that you would want. Restaurants, shopping centers. It's near, we're only about 25 minutes to Fort Liberty. So if you have anyone stationed there and you're wanting to visit, this is a great place. Also, again, close to I-95 if you're traveling north on I-95 or south on I-95. Very convenient location. The cost here at this time is around $65, $70-ish dollars. Of course, all that's subject to change. And they do offer many different discounts, so just check the website or call and ask. I'm sure they have monthly discounts and seasonal as well, because there are some monthly and seasonal folks here, but it is very clean and just a great peaceful park. Again, Spacious Skies at Sandy Run. We're going to be heading north now, on into North Carolina, up north of Raleigh just a little bit, and visit some family there. And then we head west. So this is Sharon, Rough Road RV Life. We like looking at freedom, and I really like looking at freedom out of the front window of my RV, looking over that beautiful pond. Every now and then you get a nice sight like this. Sites are assigned here, so I think if you pay extra, maybe you could reserve a certain site, but we have not been disappointed with any site that we have had here, and especially this one. I will ask for this one again. love Site 3. Walk straight across and then you can just walk your dog. Drop in the comments and say hello. And do you have a favorite North Carolina I-95 campground that you like to stay at when you're traveling between the north and the south? Drop that in the comment and let us know. We try to find sites that we don't have, when we're traveling, that we don't have to go too far off the interstate so we can get off and get back on. Now here we were stopping to visit, but it is nice when you can just stop and, you know, have a night or two, recuperate, and then head on out. Mr. D, anything you want to say? Wrap it up.
We're all packed up.
And we're ready.
The road.
No guitar this time, acapella,
Yeah.
right? Happy travels, everyone. Safe travels. Bye.
We're all packed up and we're ready to go. We're gonna hit the road, gonna take it real slow. Seeing sights along the way, living this RV way. Nothing puts a smile on my face